I'm Jay Mankita from Playful Engineers, and I'm here today in Holyoke, Massachusetts at the first annual Pioneer Valley Maker Faire. And I'm so excited to be here among so many great exhibits and hands-on activities and so many makers who are spreading the word about how much fun it is to make things. This is something that I like to make. This is what I call stickyometry, and it's just made from pencils and rubber bands and tape, and it's just universal joints. Here is one of my scissor lifts made from popsicle sticks and wooden dowels, and it's paper spacers. Here is a double pin crankshaft that I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it kind of seems like walking legs to me. Here is a flapping thing that might turn into some kind of a bird or a bat, made from a pencil, paper clips, paper, tape. This is one of my favorites, a dancing frog, taking the linkages and combining them with a crank in the back. My toaster, because I love toast. A reverse motion linkage with a rocker arm, just in case you're just not satisfied being on Earth. There are so many things that we've been building today that are expressing mechanical principles, changing one form of motion into another and having fun while doing it, using ordinary materials and ordinary people. So Playful Engineers offers workshops and events, residencies. We go to schools, libraries, camps, and we also teach online. And you can contact us, playfulengineers.com. We are on the web and waiting to hear from you. Thank you.